Finally, the trek starts from here.
मैं 400 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल कर गया कहाँ से
And from this particular area, actually the trek starts. Introducing Lucky, the trek guide we got, or it's better to say our brother from mountain. We made this plan with Lucky from a long time, but on the day before the trek, when we reached Sakri, we didn't got connection to contact Lucky. And that particular time we were almost sure that we had to plan with some other trekking company. But people from mountain have one thing in common, that is the honesty and their loyalty. No matter what, they won't let you down. Maybe they got it from the nature itself. Lucky, he came almost covering 400-kilometer journey with a smile on his face, cause he promised us. And the more we are going up, we are getting little bit of snow patches here and there. And finally, we get to see the ultimate view from here. Now we are in the middle of a snowland. Kedarkantha is known for a winter trek because the amount of snow and the view it offers is worth every steps you count over there. Basically, it's a 4-day trek. If you are a pro trekker, then you can cover it in a less time. I came here just to enjoy the view, just to enjoy the snow, and to hear this heavenly sound of the woods, and to touch the fresh white snow. Finally, covering plenty of snow, we reached here in our campsite, Juda ki Talab. And that's a lake, almost around 8,500 feet or approx 9,000. So Juda ki Talab is basically a frozen lake, like the one lake we got in Brahmatal. It was similar but little smaller in size. It was pretty cold outside, so we didn't film at all. Rather, what we did was we purely enjoyed the view through our eyes. A beautiful sunset to a night full of stars. Yes, we encountered everything there. just by sitting outside of this tent.